In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement and utilize a knowledge base with Zoho Desk. We will walk through each step, making this process straightforward and efficient. Alright, let's dive in and start by heading over to Zoho's main website, Zoho, Cloud Software Suite for Businesses. Here, you'll find a multitude of services that can help streamline your business processes, with Zoho Desk being our main focus for today. Once there, find and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to set one up so you can follow along. Once you've signed in, navigate your way to Zoho Home. It's essentially the main hub where you can manage your Zoho applications, which makes accessing all your services pretty straightforward. Next up, let's head over to Zoho Desk. This is where all the magic happens. Zoho Desk is your go-to platform for managing customer support with ease. Now that you're here, locate the Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a menu filled with potential configurations to tailor Zoho Desk to your specific needs. From here, we're specifically interested in the Channels option. This feature allows you to set how your customers can reach you, be it through email, phone, or a help center. Super useful for maintaining streamlined communication. Once you've clicked on Channels, the next thing you'll want to do is select the Help Center. This is where you'll get a comprehensive view of all support options available to the customers through your portal. Within this tab, you'll see various settings and options pertinent to your Help Center's operations. The next step is crucial: ensuring your knowledge base is enabled. The knowledge base is a repository where you can store, organize, and present critical information to your customers. By enabling this feature, you're essentially empowering your customers to find answers quickly and effortlessly, reducing your team's workload significantly. By now, you should be well on your way to setting up a fully functioning knowledge base within Zoho Desk. Importantly, these steps set the stage for smoother, more effective customer interactions by making it easy for your customers to self-serve. As we conclude, remember that successfully setting up your knowledge base not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also improves your team's productivity. It's about making information accessible, solving issues more rapidly, and empowering your clientele with the resources they need. All managed seamlessly through Zoho Desk. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.